right towards the underneath side of the door. Notice there is one location right here. This is that location that I was talking about. This is that clip underneath. What we have to do is use a 10mm wrench just like that and then turn that clip 90 degrees. There's a little bit free space behind and we are trying to turn this clip to match that free space. We'll keep it to this much and move on with the rest of the process. Notice right where the handle and the switch panel is, there is that hole right there and there is one screw that we are supposed to take out. Here I'm using a Torx 30 bit along with an extension and small ratchet wrench. We'll punch in the bit on top, then we'll go ahead to punch in the tool inside to take that screw outwards. We will lose the screw with the tool first. Once the screw is loose, then we will take out the ratchet wrench and just take out the screw with the remaining tools. This makes the process much faster. We will try to open the screw till the very end. Now the screw is opened till the very end, but it's just there's a space in the middle. We will keep it to that and we will just move ahead. Now we will use a plastic trim remover tool like this. We'll gently punch in that tool in that corner to take the plastic cover out. Just like that, you notice the plastic cover is pulled out. Once the plastic cover is out, notice there is one more screw on top that also needs to be taken out. Again, we will punch in the same tool to take it out. Lose it with the tool first, then take out the ratchet wrench and just unscrew it with the remaining tools. Again, the screw is taken out, but it's just stuck there because there is space in the middle. Moving ahead, now we will use a tool like this and then we'll use the same tool to punch it underneath the door panel. We'll try to make some room from underneath to punch in our fingers. We'll have to try back and forth until both of your arms are able to go inside. Then using the same room there, we will try to pull out the door panel from underneath. In my case, I noticed some really strong force was needed to pull the door panel outwards. There it is. Finally, we were able to pull out the door panel from this side. Again, from the other side, we'll punch in our arm and then pull it out. Same thing from the corners, also needs to be pulled out. Notice while I was pulling out the top portion from here, there is this clip that's getting stuck there. So what I'll do is I'll be using a clip remover tool like this. We'll punch in the clip remover tool inside and then pull that clip outwards. Just like that, that clip is taken out. We'll also make sure the other side is also loose and not holding on to anything. Once all the corners are pulled out, now we will grab the door panel and then lift it upside until it's completely taken out. Just like that, the door panel is out. Once the door panel is taken down, behind, notice there is that inner door handle. So what we have to do is, notice there is a tab right there. We just push that tab towards the right side and then pull this harness outwards. Just like that, that is how we take this out. Once this is taken out, notice from underneath there is that plug that needs to be taken out. Here I'm going to tilt the door panel a little bit just to show you guys. And you can see there is that plug right there. Notice this plug has a tab right there. We would need to press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. Just like that, just to show you guys one more time. We press and hold this tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. With the plug taken out, that wraps up the takeout for this door panel. Now in case if you want to put back this door panel, just reverse the steps of takeout and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.